This literature kit of the graphic novel New Kid by Jerry Craft allows educators to customize their unit for individual student needs. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Predict what will be revealed about the character Andy based on first impressions. Compare the different results from Jordan's meeting with Maury and then with Drew. Recall events from the Secret Santa game in Jordan's homeroom. Put events that take place during the holiday break in the correct order. Reflect on how you perceive others and how they perceive you. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as playing a game of this or that, by comparing 2 different things and deciding which is better. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Relate the plot or themes of chapter titles with their real-world counterparts. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.